Quick video on this Honeywell desk lamp. Fully adjustable, right? Up and down. We can adjust this light this way or this way. It clips on. It has a clip on the bottom here, and it just basically with a hand screw, you can, put it on and take it off, right? Real simple. You can see that there. The clip does have rubber mounts, so it doesn't scratch your desk. And to turn it on and off, you just click this button, and you click the button again. You see it does that nice adjustment, and so this is how you adjust it, up and down. Basically just touch it. You can also change the color temperature. So you go lighter, like a brighter white, lighter white, warm light. So you have all these different options, which is really nice. And again, you can turn it all the way up, or you can turn it all the way down. And the touch buttons, they're not like, you don't get much feedback. You basically just touch it, and it's almost like a touch screen, but it doesn't look like a touch screen. So yeah, it's really nice. Fully adjustable, has also an adjustment here. Plug it into the wall, and the thing works. It's Honeywell. What more do you want me to say? Very good company. Their stuff is high quality. I like it.